Unlock seamless transactions by mastering the art of transferring funds directly from your Payoneer account to Perfect Money, vital for your online ventures. First, log into your Payoneer account. Once you're in, navigate to the Withdraw Funds or Make a Payment section. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your Payoneer interface, but look for an option that allows you to send money to an external account or service. From the available withdrawal methods, you'll need to select the option that allows you to input the details of your Perfect Money account. This is often labeled as a bank transfer or sometimes a more general other payment service depending on Payoneer's current integrations. Now, you'll need your Perfect Money account details. Go to your Perfect Money account and find your unique wallet number for the currency you intend to use for this transfer. You'll typically be sending funds to a designated bank that facilitates Perfect Money transactions. Payoneer will prompt you to enter recipient bank details. You'll need to input the bank name, SWIFT, BIC code, and the account number provided by Perfect Money for their financial intermediaries. Enter the exact amount you wish to transfer from your Payoneer account. Make sure to select the correct currency that matches both your Payoneer balance and your Perfect Money wallet. Double-check all the entered details, especially the Perfect Money account number and the intermediary bank information, to avoid any transfer errors. Before finalizing, Payoneer will show you a summary of the transaction, including any applicable fees. Review everything carefully one last time. If all details are correct, confirm the transfer. And that's it. Your funds are now on their way from Payoneer to your Perfect Money account. The transfer time can vary depending on processing and intermediary steps, but you'll typically receive a confirmation from Payoneer once the transaction is initiated. Keep your online finances flowing smoothly by mastering these essential payment transfers.